Hello Violas, here's your training video for the sounds of Hanukkah. There's a couple things you need to know before we get started. First of all, we're in the key of C major, so we have all naturals, but there are some places where you have some B flats on the G string, which are played with a low second finger on the G string, so you need to tuck your 2 right next to your 1. It's all pizzicato from E until G during dreidel. And we also have accents at the very end from G until the end, so you want to make sure you catch those. There are some places like at C where you can add some vibrato, and the beginning is a good place for you to start with your 4th fingers as well. So here is the sounds of Hanukkah. One. 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 Two, three.